The Wisconsin Supreme Court temporarily pauses a public health Madison and Dane County order saying they did not have the authority to force schools to teach virtually and that grades 3 through 12 could go back to classes.
Madison Mayor Satcha Rhodes Conway said this sends the message that neither the state nor localities should be taking common sense measures to protect the public from a deadly disease that is very concerning. Some private schools wasted no time reopening for students.
Danny Maxwell tells us what's next as parents and school staff get ready for in-person instruction once again.
The school year seems to begin again, this time in person at St. Peter Catholic School in Ashton.
Can you say hi?
After starting the year off virtually just days ago, parents and students excited to be back in the classroom.
We tried homeschooling for her, and fortunately for us, it's not a great fit.
Saying they feel safe bringing their children into the school.
Being able to be at a school where I trust the principal to make safe choices and to protect my children is a very important thing for me.
The desks are all spaced apart and we have blue tape on the floor, a square around each desk delineating spaces. We have hand sanitizing stations by the door and disinfectant and wipes, and we have additional masks in the school. In the morning when the kids come, they're supposed to check their temperature when they come, before they come, and when they arrive.
Mom Elizabeth Idze was one of the official petitioners on the lawsuit against Dane County's order for schools to keep grades 3 through 12 virtual.
I actually had a medically fragile child who's in UW Hospital for many years off and on, and if anyone would be more concerned, it would be me. He had pulmonary issues, and I'm not. I know that these policies work. I know kids are safe.
You're using all your senses as a child to learn, and so face-to-face eye contact, seeing, hearing, being with other people. Of course, we can't touch, but I think just the physical, just being in the same room is a huge thing.
The principal at St. Peter's tells us if parents aren't comfortable sending their children to school, they do offer virtual options for those families.
Thank you, Danny. St. Ambrose Academy in Madison was part of the petition to the Supreme Court. They plan to have in-person instruction starting Monday, saying the reason they pushed this was on behalf of the school's parents.
We have parental support, which is huge. Parents at home that are already talking to their kids about masking and social distancing. Parents at home that are saying, you've got to be a part of the team to keep our community safe.
St. Ambrose will also have a virtual option. The campus, normally all in one building, has been divided into 2 locations for in-person instruction.